Hello viewers, welcome back to Edition Ibs. In today's video we gonna talk about 10 biggest brain damaging habits that you may do in your day-to-day life. Vast majority of us might be already engaged with these habits. So it is advised to stop doing them immediately in conjunction with your doctor's advice for a better living. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Missing breakfast and inadequate water intake. Maybe for a diet or to save time, many people opt to skip their breakfast. A very few people might be aware of this fact that not having breakfast can damage your brain. Every morning after a good sleep your body needs nutrients. And also, almost 80% of the brain is water. Brain needs enough water to think faster and focus better. So, it's very important that you stay hydrated all the time. Drinking plenty of water will benefit both your body and brain to function better. Number 2. Overeating. Overeating makes us gain weight, feel bloated, and increase the chances of life-threatening diseases. But you might be unaware that it also damages your brain beyond your imagination. It hardens the brain arteries, hence, damaging our mental abilities. Number 3. Smoking. We are all aware that smoking causes cancer, but do you know that the addictive nicotine in the cigarettes also shrinks your brain? In fact, brain shrinkage for a prolonged period can lead to Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is a type of incurable dementia that causes problems with brain memory, thinking, and behavior. Number 4. High sugar consumption. Excessive intake of sugar for a long period interrupts our body's capacity to absorb proteins and nutrients. This might result in a condition called malnutrition, which prevents brain's growth. It happens because our body lacks adequate nutrients in the blood, and hence, it does not deliver enough nutrients to our brain, which in turn stops brain's development. Number 5. Not enough sleep. Sleep allows our brain to rest. In the study, the researchers found that sleep deprivation makes it difficult for brain cells to communicate effectively, which in turn can lead to temporary mental lapses that affect memory and visual perception. Long-term deprivation from sleep will accelerate the death of brain cells. Number 6. Covering your head while sleeping. You may feel it warm and comforting, but sleeping with a blanket or pillow covered over your head might increase the consumption of carbon dioxide and reduce the consumption of oxygen. Oxygen is very essential for proper functioning of your brain, and not having enough of oxygen can harm your brain cells. Number 7. Playing loud music with earphones or headphones. Listening to music at a very high volume with your earphones or headphones can result in some brain problems, such as loss of memory and damage to your brain tissue in the coming future. This is because brain is the one which takes efforts to comprehend what is being said around you. If you apply excess pressure on your brain, it's sure to get damaged. Number 8. Talking rarely. Intellectual conversation promote efficiency of the brain. The lesser you speak, the more you damage your brain, as intellectual discussions promote growth process of the brain. So it's better to be active participants in the meetings and get-togethers. Number 9. Breathing polluted air. This is the common problem. Wherever you go, you are welcome with the polluted air. As the brain is the largest oxygen consumer of the body, and inhaling the polluted air will decrease the supply of oxygen to the brain. Therefore, there will be a damage to the brain. So try to be away from the polluted air as much as you can. Number 10. Lacking in stimulating thoughts. Lacking in brain stimulation thoughts may cause brain shrinkage, simply means loss of brain cells. Further, thinking is the best way to train your brain, so think more, write more, explore more, because all this will help you to keep your brain fresh. By now, you must be wondering these are very common things that you often do daily. So, now it's time to nurture your brains and give the attention it deserves. To be the most productive of ourselves, these are the things that we need to stop doing exactly. Your brain will definitely thank you.